டிஆர்பி சிலபஸ் தான் பார்க்குறோம். சப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து இங்கிலீஷு. யூனிட் 1 மாடர்ன் லிட்ரேச்சர் 1400 to 1600. போயட்ரி வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஃபார் டீட்டெயில்டு ஸ்டடி சாசர் ப்ரொலாகி டு த கேன்டர்பரி டேல்ஸ், ஸ்பென்சர் ஃபியரி குயின் புக் 1. ஃபார் நான் டீட்டெயில்டு ஸ்டடி ஸ்பென்சர் ப்ரோதாலமைன் அண்டு எபிதாலமைன். யார்ட்டு சாரை வந்து செலக்ஷன்ஸ் இன் பீகாக்ஸ் இங்கிலீஷ் வால்யூம் 1. பேலட்ஸ் வந்து பீகாக் வால்யூம் 2. ப்ரோஸ் ஃபார் டீட்டெயில்டு ஸ்டடி பேகன் எஸ்ஸேஸ் ஆஃப் ட்ரூத், ஆஃப் அட்வர்சிட்டி, ஆஃப் ஸ்டடீஸ், ஆஃப் ரிவெஞ்ச், ஆஃப் ஆம்பிஷன், ஆஃப் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். சிட்னி வந்து அப்பாலஜி ஃபார் போயட்ரி. ஃபார் நான் டீட்டெயில்டு ஸ்டடி த பைபிள், த புக் ஆஃப் ஜாப். ட்ராமா ஃபார் டீட்டெயில்டு ஸ்டடி மார்லோ, டாக்டர் ஃபாஸ்டஸ். ஃபார் நான் டீட்டெயில்டு ஸ்டடி கிட், த ஸ்பானிஷ் ட்ராஜடி. பென் ஜான்சன், த அல்கிமிஸ்ட். யூனிட் 2 மாடர்ன் லிட்ரேச்சர் 1600 to 1798. Poetry for detailed study Donne, Canonization, The Ecstasy. Milton, Paradise Lost, Book 9. Pope, The Rape of the Lock. For non-detailed study Milton, Samson Agonistus. Gray, Collins and Blake. Peacock's English verse Volume 3. Herbert, Affliction, The Pulley. Marvel, To Kiss My Mistress. Prose for detailed study Johnson, Life of Milton. For non-detailed study Bunyan, The Pilgrim's Progress. Fielding, Tom Jones. Drama for detailed study Dryden, All for Love. Sheridan, The School for Scandal. For non-detailed study Congreve, The Way of the World. Goldsmith, She Stoops to Conquer. Unit 3 Modern Literature 1798 to 1832. Poetry for detailed study Wordsworth, Immortality, Ode to Tindanabe. Coleridge, Ode to Dejection, Kubla Khan. Keats, Ode on a Grecian, Ode to Autumn. Shelley, Ode to the West Wind. For non-detailed study Wordsworth, Prelude, Book 1. Shelley, Adonais. Prose detailed study Lamb, Essays of Ilia Christ Hospital. The South Sea House, Dream Children. New Year's Eve. Hazlitt, My First Acquaintance with Poets. For non-detailed study Wordsworth, Preface to the Lyrical Ballads 1850. Jane Austen, Emma. Emily Bronte, Wuthering Heights. Unit 4 Modern Literature 1832 to the present day. Poetry for detailed study Arnold, Dover Beach, The Scholar Gypsy. Browning, Antia del Sarto. Tennyson, Marty D. Arthur. Yeats, Byzantium. Eliot, Wasteland. For non-detailed study Hopkins, The Wreck of the Dutchland. The selections from Owen W. H. Arden, Stephen Spender in the Faber Book of Modern Verse. Prose for detailed study Carlyle, The Hero as a Man of Letters. From On Heroes and Hero Worship. Matthew Arnold, The Study of Poetry. T.S. Eliot, Tradition and Individual Talent. For non-detailed study Dickens, Great Expectations. George Eliot, Middlemarch. Hardy, Jude the Obscure. Virginia Woolf, To the Lighthouse. Graham Greene, The Power and the Glory. Unit 5 Shakespeare. Drama for detailed study Macbeth, The Tempest. For non-detailed study Henry IV Part 1. Messer for Messer, Antony and Cleopatra. A general knowledge of the other plays, poems and sonnets of Shakespeare is expected of the candidates. Unit 6 American Literature Poetry detailed study Walt Whitman, Out of the Cradle, Endlessly Rocking. Emily Dickinson, Because I Could Not Stop for Death. Robert Frost, Mending Well Bridges, West Running Brook. Sylvia Plath, Daddy. Non-detailed study Walt Whitman, Passage to India. E. Cummings, The Cambridge Ladies. Hart Crane, Poem to Brooklyn Bridge. Fiction Mark Twain, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Melville, Moby Dick. Hemingway, The Old Man and the Sea. Prose detailed study Emerson, The American Scholar. Faulkner, Nobel Prize Acceptance Speech. Non-detailed study Thoreau, Walden. James Thurser, The Owl in the Attic. Drama detailed study Eugene O'Neill, The Hairy Ape. Arthur Miller, The Death of a Salesman. Non-detailed study. Tennessee Williams. A Streetcar Named Desire. Edward Albee. Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf? Unit 7. Indian Writing in English. Poetry. Detailed study. Tagore, Geetanjali. Aurobindo, Thought the Paraclete. Non-detailed study. Poems of Sarojini Naidu and Thurudad from the Golden Treasury of Indian Poetry. Poems of A.K. Ramanujam, R. Parthasarathi, Kamaladas and Nissim Isikil from 10th-20th century Indian poets R. Parthasarathi. Fiction. Mulkraj Anand Cooley. Raja Rao Kantapura. R.K. Narayanan, The English Teacher. Kamala Markandeya, A Handful of Fries. Prose. Detailed study. Ananda Kumarasamy, Aurobindo, The Dance of Siva. The titled essay. Non-detailed study. Nehru, An Autobiography. Drama. Detailed study. Tagore, Mugdha Tara. Kiskana, Tughlaq. Non-detailed study. Gurucharan Das, Larin Sahib. Commonwealth Literature. Poetry. Non-detailed study. E.J. Pratt, The Dying Eagle. Judith Wright, Fire in the Murdering Hut, The Cedars. Old Soyinka, The Telephone Conversation. Abiyossi Nicole, The Meaning of Africa. Eddie Hope, Australia. Drama. Detailed study. Old Soyinka, The Lion and the Non-detailed study. Douglas Stewart, Ned Kelly. Prose. Chinua Achebe, The Novelist as Teacher. Fiction. Chinua Achebe, Things Fall Apart. Alan Paton, Cry the Blood Country. Unit 8. Approaches to Literature. Modern Drama, Modern Fiction, Literary Movement, Literary Criticism and Theory, Feminism, Teaching of English in India, Journalism and Creative Writing in English, Postmodernism. Unit 9. History of the English Language. Origin of Language. Place of English in the Indo-European family. General characteristics of Old and Middle English. The rise and growth of modern English. Growth of vocabulary Greek, Latin, French, Italian, Scandinavian and other foreign influences. Word formation. Change of meaning. The makers of English. The Bible, Spencer, Shakespeare, Milton and Dr. Johnson. American English. Indian English. Characteristics of modern English. Spelling reform. Books for reference. The English Lexicon. Henry Bradley. The Making of English. F.T. Wood. An Outline History of the English Language. A.C. Bug. A History of the English Language. Linguistics. Definitions. The nature and scope of linguistics. Speech and writing. Form and meaning, words, class and phrase, concord, government. Sentence patterns, phonology, morphology, idiolect, dialect, transformational, generative grammar. Frank Flawley. Grammar. ELBS. John Lyons. An Introduction to Theoretical Linguistics. Unit 10. Principles of Literary Criticism. Aristotle, Poetics. Dryden, Essays of Dramatic Poesy. Coleridge, Biography of Literature, Chapter 14 and Chapter 17. Keats, Letters from English Critical Tradition, Macmillan. T.S. Eliot, Metaphysical Poets. I. A. Richard, Four Kinds of Meaning. William Emerson, The Seventh Type of Ambiguity. Northrop Frye, The Archetype of Literature. L. Trilling, Sense of the Past. Brooks, Ione as a Principle of Structure. Alan Tate, Tension in Poetry.